Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon. In this video, I want to present you the Tax 6 video tutorial with 3 English songs. We will start with the the sound. It is a dental, fricative, and vowel sound. The spelling is TS. The phoneme the is very known to speakers. Its manner of articulation is fricative, which means it's produced by constrained airflow through a narrow channel at the place of articulation, causing some turbulence. Correspond to initial or final consonant sound in the words. Some examples are thief, thief, thunder, thunder, teeter, teeter, thing, thing. Next sound is the. The sound is a dental, fricative, and voiced. The spelling is TS. The phoneme the doesn't exist in Spanish as choose, but it isn't a difficult sound. It is the voice counterpart of the. It is an oral consonant, which means air comes paid through the mouth only in initial consonant sound in the words. Some examples are mother, they, then, the. And for the last, we speak some about the sound. It is alveolar, fricative, and voiced. Spelling is as you know, is voiced counterpart of sa. Its phonation is voiced, which means the vocal cords vibrate during the articulation. Z. For example, zoo, zoo, gaze, gaze, dizzy, dizzy, zeal, zeal. Thank you so much. Until next time.